Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, in the chapter of Introduction to Partnership, our topic of today is rectification of error. And under this topic, we will learn to rectify the error when interest on drawings is not calculated. Students, as you know that interest on drawings is an expense for the partners. So, if interest on drawings is not calculated, partner's profit is found increased. So, to rectify this error, divisible profit is to be reduced up to the amount equal to total interest on drawings. So, we will learn this practically with the help of an illustration. The illustration is A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:2. At the end of the year, after the preparation of final accounts, it is realized that computation of interest on drawings is missed out. Interest on drawings were rupees 1000, rupees 800 and rupees 600 respectively. Write journal entry for rectification. Okay, students, so here in this illustration, two important things are given. One is profit sharing ratio and second is interest on drawings, which is readily given for all partners. Now we will prepare a table containing 5 columns. See, I have already prepared this table where first column is for particulars, then after, according to partner's name, columns are prepared, and at last the column of total. Okay, now let's start calculations. First of all, we will write interest on drawings, which is given in the question. Okay, interest on drawings for partner A is 1000, for partner B is 800 and for partner C is 600. The total of all these three amounts is 2400. Okay, as you know that, or as I explained, interest on drawings is an expense for the partner. So we will give a sign of debit here. So we will write DR as a sign of debit. Okay, now 2400 total amount of interest on drawings which was missed out. That means it is not charged from the partners. So because of this mistake, divisible profit among partners is found increased. So according to profit and loss sharing ratio, we will distribute 2400 among these three partners, and let us see that what is the error here. That means what is the wrong amount here. So we will write here increase in profit because of error. So if 2400 is distributed in the ratio of 5:3:2, what amount will each partner get? Let us see this. So according to profit sharing ratio, partner A will get 1200, partner B will get 720 and partner C will get 480. Students, distribution of the amount according to profit and loss sharing ratio is already taught. So I am not going to repeat here. Okay, now here we have written the word or sign for the word debit DR. Opposite to it, here we will write credit. That means sign for the word credit CR. And now the time to find out difference. Okay, here the difference is 200. But what to write here? Debit or credit? So which amount is greater out of these two? 1200. 1200 is greater and the sign of 1200 is credit. So we will write credit here. Okay, here out of these two amount 800 is greater. The difference is rupees 80. But out of these two amounts 800 was greater, so we will write debit here. And for partner C 600 and 480 is given where 600 is greater, so let us find out difference here, which is 120. 600 was greater, the sign of 600 was debit, so we will write debit here. So calculation is over. Now students, we have to pass entry for rectification. That means we will pass a journal entry here to rectify this error. For this we will prepare table for journal entry. As you know, the table of journal entry. Okay, now we will see the difference, amount of difference and its sign, and we will pass journal entry. It is very easy. See here, 80 debit. That means B's capital account will be debited. 120 is debit. That means partner C's capital account will be debited. And A 200 is credit, means A's capital account will be credited. So according to this we will pass journal entry. It is very easy for us to pass journal entry as we have already written here the words debit and credit. So now let us pass journal entry. B's capital account debited. Same as C's capital account will be debited. B's capital account debited with rupees 80. C's capital account will be debited with rupees 120. And now A's capital account will be credited with rupees 200. So we will write here to A's capital account $200. Okay students, and being you can simply write being rectified entry.